Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you iOS 26 top 5 lock screen themes for your Xiaomi device. So let's begin. Number 5. Night Sky. Simply go to themes, search Night Sky theme and download. After download, apply lock screen. And guys, look at this. iOS 26 liquid glass clock with spark effect on this theme. Number 4. Ember Star Hill. Apply lock screen, and guys, this lock screen, look at this iOS 26 tile Spatial clock, and this is really looking awesome. If you double tap on clock, look at this more customization option for lock screen. Also new widgets in this lock screen. Number 3. Violet Mist Woods. Apply lock screen, and in this theme, guys, look at this. Guys, this is completely look like iOS 26 forest fade clock. And guys, also widgets available on this lock screen theme after double tap. Number 2. Liminal C. Guys, this is completely iOS 26.1 Spatial clock. Look at this guys, completely similar to iOS 26. Widgets also in this theme. And last, Quicksilver. Guys, why this theme top on my list? Let me show you. Simply apply. And after apply, look at this. Guys, next level customizations options available in this theme. That's why this theme top on my list. Guys, look at this iOS 26 liquid glass clock on this theme. First, enable these options and you set clock arrange anywhere on your screen and set size and place like this. Unfortunately guys, you can't apply custom image of this lock screen. You also set colors on your clock, change background effect with this option, and if you want to delete any widget, you also delete widget like this. And guys, in last, look at this double secret theme. This is 100% similar to iOS 26 Spatial lock screen. Look at this. This is completely similar to iOS 26 Spatial. But guys, this is paid theme. And look at this, another Glacier Lake. This is also 100% similar to iOS 26 Spatial lock screen. But guys, these both themes are paid. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.